Controlled folder access is a feature of the Windows Security antivirus app on Microsoft desktop platform. That feature forestalls ransomware by preventing modification to files in protected folders. Enabling control folder access prevents untrusted app, malware or otherwise from changing file within protect directories. Control folder access is an extra security feature in Windows 10 and 11. Assalamualaikum friends, today we'll discuss how to turn off control folder access in Windows Security in Windows 10. Click Start button. Click Settings. Click Update and Security. Click Windows Security. Click Virus and Threat Protection. Find Ransomware Protection. Click Manage Ransomware Protection. Now turn off the control folder access option to disable that feature. If you're a new member of my channel but have not subscribed to my channel, then definitely subscribe and stay with us.